Obu Obalanakana homestead of the progenitor of Enugu is located in Urueko village and Mbume Onyileni, where he first birthed on his way from Omambala through Amanuke. History showed that he settled on the rocky area for some time, but due to its difficult terrain, rocks and uneven land surface, he had to relocate to Urueko village, where he established the Obu Obalanakana. This is why the former Ezi Elias Junction that leads to Nimo was renamed Ezi Obalanre. The historical visit was part of activities lined up to mark the Iguaro festival of Enugu and Omonre. Speaking at the site, Igwebe appreciated some illustrious indigenes of the town who have contributed immensely to the development and growth of the community, urging them to sustain the tempo. In his speech, the cultural minister of the town, Chief Jude Ekunife, said the design of the edifice is an elephant's head, wooden gong, and some other artistic drawing to reflect and reproduce the town's historical beliefs. Chief Ekunife urged Ndibo across board to think and invest home, saying that it is part of the measures to develop their father's land.
Trying to reflect and reproduce, what we believe. Here is where we believe our forefather, our great forefather, the Obalanakana, settled. So whatever designs you are seeing here, is an attempt, even though we cannot get it, in a perfect mode, but is an attempt to reproduce what existed in those days.
Also speaking, the President General of the community, Mr. Boni Ozonkwak, pointed out that after the construction of the magnificent Obu and museum, cultural artifacts will be kept there, where youths will be visiting as a tourist site to learn more about their culture and recreational activities.
It's one of the historical sites in Enugu, the Obu Obalanakana Okabia. Obalanakana or Obalanre is the ancestral father of Enugu, the man who gave birth to Enugu. It's completed, artifacts will be kept here, cultural artifacts. Those things that our children, don't know about, we'll bring them and keep them here.